All right, you guys, good afternoon. Hope you had a fantastic weekend. Ready to rock and roll, make some more money this week. I am looking at just three stocks for now going into this week, and it's just because markets have gone like straight up here with very little pullback, and I just don't feel like this is the end yet. There's still too much going on that I still see either downward or even just choppy markets or something. So I am looking at just three to keep things simple for now. So the first one I want to go ahead and look at here is Amazon. So Amazon has really ran up from the I think this is 2 year low. Double check. I think it is. So from its 2 year low, sorry, 2 year low. Okay, and it's really went consolidated. Then after earnings, it gapped up pretty good, and has really just kind of continued to move up. I'm expecting this to kind of, at least at the very minimum, reject this little resistance area here, right at that 200 day. So I would like the idea of selling a 158.5 call. Okay, naked up there, right in this resistance zone. And then I'm also looking at, for those I need to go define, the 152 call spread. You'll be pretty much at a little bit of resistance zone here. You got the 200 day, so you still got some wiggle room. I want to see this rejection, and maybe not necessarily gap fill all the way back down, but at least come on down here to the 132 level, make a little bit of profit and get out. Okay, so Amazon, right? Still good IVR, going out into the September monthly. So here's the 152, 157 spread. It is not at $1, but I don't want to go too much deeper into the money. Well, still out of the money, but inside the expected move, I don't want to go. So ideally, what I'd like to see is a fill at $1 on this one. Okay, on a $5 wide, you'll be about $1 or so inside the expected move as of Friday, and then you'd be risking 4 to make just that one with a good 77 pop and almost 9 short deltas. Now the undefined one, I'd be looking at this 15 delta, 158.5 for at least $1.10 or better. Okay, right now $1.13 by $1.16, you're probably going to get 114 or 115. This gets you $5 past the expected move with an 86 pop and 15 short deltas. All right. Next one I'm looking at is BABA. Now BABA has been sideways here on the 2 year low, 2 year, 1 year. I don't know what this is. That is the 2 year low as well. So what was that? March. So it's been sideways for a long time. It's now August. What is that? 5 months of consolidation. So I would keep tighter stops on this because eventually it's gonna break out tomorrow or 2 months from now. I don't know, but it's been sideways for a long time. I want to take advantage of it while we can. So I'm looking at a Strangle. Perfect coverage of the current consolidation, selling a 120 call up into this resistance zone above the 200 day, and then selling a 70 put down past the 2 year low by a couple of bucks, and just want to continue to see this just go whatever sideways. Now defined risk, you can do it. It's a little tight, but it is covering the expected move. Okay, and that's the 110 call spread and the 80 put spread. Keeps you in, covering this support area here. Okay, right around 80, and then covering not quite resistance, but giving you a little bit of room right above the 107 area. Okay, so BABA September, here it is, 80, 75 puts, 110, 115 calls. Yeah, they're a little wide at times. So I would probably start at $1.40 here, and then you'd be only risking 360. You get a nice 61 pop, and you're covering the expected move. For those that want to go naked with the play, right, it's going to be the 70 120s. It'd be about, I don't know, $7, $8 past the expected move, and about $10, $12 past the expected move on the upside. 2 short deltas, 150 bucks, 85 pop, $1,800 of buying power. Not too bad. Right. And then the last one for you guys, It'll be like a covered call here on Coke. So Coke still definitely in more of a bullish chart than a lot of the other stocks, holding that 50-day for the most part. I'm looking for this squeeze to push off the 50-day. You can see the bulls came in on Friday um, and pushed it up a little bit. I want to see a run up towards 65. So I like the idea of selling, 100, not selling shares, buying shares, and then selling the 65 call right there. Okay. You can grab some dividends if you want to hold it a little bit longer. Make sure you're in before September 15th, and dividend will be, I believe, in October. So when you take a look at this one, it's going to be September. So if you want the dividend, you will have to roll. But buying 100 shares and then selling the 65 call right at a 30 delta, it's going to cost you about $62.50 plus or minus of a debit with a max profit of 245 if you got it at 62.55. And buying power will be about $3,000. Okay. And if you want to hold this even longer, you just keep rolling this out to collect your dividend. All right, but I'd just be looking for 65s to either get called away, or if it's struggling, take a little bit of a profit. And that's going to be it, you guys. That's all I got for now. Just kind of keeping it slow and steady, watching the market carefully. I hope one day to see you in chat. Take care, everybody.